sino yung mga magkaka-team, tawag dito naka-by shirt, group yourselves na with your teams. Yan. Get to know each other, okay? May exam sa mala natin ng bawat isa.
Yeah, okay, let's go on na guys.
We only have like 5 to 10 minutes.
Oh.
Because time is money.